It would appear we have a lawyer at Dragon Con.
Yes.
I seem to remember you. I remember this image of a lawyer and these exact colors. You're holding this sign. I have a feeling that you're from an anime or something like that.
Close enough. I'm from the Wright Ace Attorney series.
Wright Ace Attorney. All right, that's cool. So this is a game about being an attorney.
Yes. The thing is, it's like a Japanese visual novel, and there's 4 cases or levels in each game. But what happens is, like, you get a defendant. You got defendant court because they're being charged with murder. But what you do is you have to prove that they're innocent. So basically, the big boss fight of each level, you have to go against a prosecutor and show evidence you collected throughout the level and say, my defendant is innocent and did not commit the murder, and find out who actually did it.
Okay. Can you frame someone for the murder? Is there like enough flexibility in the engine that you can kind of present evidence in such a way that the person you believe is innocent gets convicted?
Actually, that happens quite a few times in the game. And the thing is, like, for example, in one case, you have your friend's a police officer who's charged with murder, but then you find out that it's a loan shark who impersonated you in court. And so
Okay.
basically, you got to not only defend her, but prove that, you know, when she was being defended in court, like before you started the level, you were being framed for being a sucky lawyer.
Okay, all right. When it comes to the evidence and finding like stuff against, finding the evidence and using it in court, how do you acquire it? Is it something like LA Noire, the Rockstar Games?
No, the thing is, it's like this. There's 4 different functions when you investigate an area. You hit examine and you just move like little magnifying glasses everywhere.
Okay.
Until you find something that looks suspicious, click on it, and then it'll be added to your evidence.
Interesting. And I guess the game is a lot older than LA Noire, which would explain the fact that it's kind of like a magnifying glass as opposed to LA Noire's crazy.
The first game came out in 2004.
And I would even say perhaps the first game with a lawyer, playing an attorney,
Yeah, that I know of.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So your name, by the way?
My name is Thomas.
So Thomas, how often do you come to Dragon Con?
This is actually my first time.
First time? Where are you from?
I'm from Huntsville, Alabama.
Alabama, all right, that's cool. What appeals to you the most? Is it like the video game culture and things like that, or the general references?
What appeals to me is just, the pop culture and, just being in a place with other people who are just as passionate about stuff as you are, be it video games, comics, or anime.
That's right, yeah, no, I totally admit, I feel at home. I feel, with all my video game interests and things like that, TV shows, I feel like this is a good place. I feel very comfortable here. So, very cool that there's a lawyer game. I have some interest in law myself, so it's nice to see that. So thanks a lot for talking to us today. And so we'll see you around. Have a great con.
Objection!
Or we can keep the interview going, that works too. So any interest in going to Canada?
Well, yes, but after I get my attorney's fees, because I'm still trying to get a client to pay off. It's been a few months.
Are we talking real life or the game?
I'll leave that up to you.
Let's say both.
Exactly.
Good. All right, but thanks.
No problem.
Great time.